Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be making chicken enchiladas. It's pretty exciting. It's my mom's recipe. And there's been some hurdles to jump through preparing this.
Wait, what? You already prepared it?
Yes.
But then why is this the intro?
This is the intro. You know what? I get to do my order about how I want to do it. Okay? So stay tuned. And
What does enchiladas mean?
why do you ask me these questions? It's wrapping up in a burrito. So we're making the innards and the sauce first. Step 1, cream and mushroom soup. I think we're off to a great start. Get your second can. You need 2 because the sauce, you need a lot of it. You could be helping me. Then your second can of cream and mushroom soup. This isn't a vegan meal. You can make it vegetarian. You just don't add the chicken and you substitute rice. Sour cream.
All of that?
Well, we're gonna eyeball it. I don't have exact measurements. I don't know, I think all of it. Well, almost all of it. Of this size, which is 500 milliliters. Salsa. Half of this jar, 645 milliliters. We'd like it to be saucy. That's good. Yeah, like half of this, one of these. Perfect. But then you're gonna add your spices. Chili flakes and your chili powder. Moist. We don't play with fire. We don't play with fire. Okay, so you're just gonna take your chili powder. I do 3 tablespoons, but it depends on your spice level. I put in almost 5. My mom didn't add chili flakes, but I'm adding them because I like spice. Chili flake. I breathe that in. Preheat your oven to 375 to make it a liquid or of a liquidy consistency. Put in some milk. Half a cup.
Almond milk?
What? Yes, almond milk. It's healthy. Okay, maybe like just under a cup. Some of the greatest chefs, they just eyeball it. They just use their eyes. Some of the greatest chefs. It's a little spillage.
A pancake mix?
No. It's good. It's the sauce. So once you got your chicken cut up, we're making the inside of the enchilada. Let that heat up. That's a fresh onion. Oh my gosh. Cut a lot because you'll need to put half in with your chicken and half in with your sauce. That's burning. What? What's your problem?
Where are your goggles?
I need goggles. If you're one of those people who doesn't like onion, you can use onion powder. I washed it with soap. Relax, you. Okay, so now that the stove's heated up, put in your chicken. Get some hands. Please don't hurt yourself. Okay, we also need to cut more of this. Moist. It's just going everywhere. Keep it on the cutting board, Keith. And then you're also gonna use your rubber. You should use a baking dish to put your enchiladas in. But I don't have that, so I'm gonna use this. Is anything deep enough to hold the burrito or the form?
You tuck your fingernails?
Yeah, you tuck in your fingers. You can.
It's not very good.
What do you mean?
Too thick.
Don't. I already put in olive oil, but thank you. And then the rest is going in the sauce. Moist olive. Here's our sauce. Here's the chicken.
What did you add to the chicken?
Olive oil.
That's it?
I'm gonna add more. Relax.
No salt?
I didn't watch my sister cook the chicken. Okay. So my sister used to be a chef.
So you need to add like...
And this is our sauce. Literally, the seasoning's right there.
Okay, what is
That's
that?
paprika. Chili powder. Pepper.
Where's your seasoning salt?
Salt.
Seasoning salt?
I think I need to get my money back.
We were supposed to put it in before you started cooking it.
We've noted that my sister cooks better than me. Maybe you. I like to season it as I'm cooking it. But maybe you shouldn't do that. I put the onions in after the chicken.
That's not how you cook.
That's how I cook.
That's not correct.
Lit.
I think it's
now
done,
that
right?
the chicken's cooked, yes, we're gonna lower the heat.
I don't actually know how to tell.
Some of the greatest chefs lower the heat of it.
You just eat it and not get diarrhea?
Okay, let's back up the camera, please. We don't want to look at myself this close. I don't... This is not... Let's start with that much. The amount of chefs cringing at what I'm doing. So this, again, I'm using... I'm probably gonna need, like... I'm kidding, that's not how I'm doing it. I'm just putting it there. Okay. I'm not a professional. I need more utensils.
We can tell.
Don't judge me. My sister's the chef, not me. Okay. Good reminder, set your preheat your oven to 375.
Why don't we just eat it like that?
No, that's not how, no. It'll be worth the wait. It's way better when it's baked. Because then you melt the cheese.
I'm gonna pause.
What?
My turn. Welcome to Jimmy's Pizzeria.
Please. It's fine. We're not picky.
Are we not using any of that?
Yeah, we are. I'm making it saucy. That's what you put on top.
This is why you're supposed to measure.
No, this is not why you're supposed to measure.
Because otherwise you get that much extra.
No, that's not extra. That is going on top. Now that this is cooked, we're gonna put it in our tortilla. Again, I didn't see my sister do this, so...
This is not a good idea.
Yes,
this is not a good idea. Use a plate.
So again, like you're gonna turn off the heat because it's done cooking.
Use a plate. You cannot hold liquid on your palm.
This works.
Oh my god, this
Yes,
is a disaster waiting to happen. Okay, go, go.
It like has a little...
Do it. Divot.
This is the really janky way to do it. But
Okay,
see,
you're trying to...
It's working.
She's also... Okay, let's see what's the problem with this.
Moist.
Can I see that spatchy?
No. You
So
just,
there's
I want you
liquid.
to watch
She's
me do
scooping
this.
liquid
Okay.
with a spatchy.
I know. Just notice. I had to switch. You had to give me time to switch. So this will be our first enchilada.
Oh my god, this is a disaster. Oh my god.
Moist, you have no faith.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Have a little faith. I didn't see. I really should have watched her do this. I was like, Kaylee, I'm coming there. I really want you to teach me how to do the chicken enchiladas again.
Oh my god. Can I do it, please?
More like a burrito. It's like those little burritos you get at Taco Bell.
Here, I want to do it. We'll see whose is better.
No, Moist.
Okay, this is hers.
You grab it.
This is hers. Dumpling season.
So, don't do it like this. Don't.
What is this, a fortune cookie?
It's a portion. Okay. Wow. Wow, you are doing it the correct way.
So, I don't think we need a vote to determine whose was better. So sad.
Just... I'll make my next one better. You didn't do it right though. You're supposed to bend it. Yeah, those ends. Oh. Just try it a little bit.
You're enjoying this, eh? See, I didn't plan for this. I was just gonna leave it like this, so. And look at this freaking behemoth taking up.
You really want to say whose is better? At least mine fits in the bowl.
Mine would fit in the bowl.
I was gonna make them go cross like that. You know, my mom's gonna watch this and be like, I don't know you people. So now we're putting our sauce.
Wait, show them the final product.
So you should have a bunch of diapers in here. It shouldn't look like this, but
It should probably be one layer.
it should probably be one layer. So if you have an actual
And a lot
dish,
more even.
Yeah, a lot more even. So, but you know what? It's gonna taste good. And then you put the rest of your sauce on top.
That's a lot of sauce. Is this a soup?
No, it's not a soup. It's supposed to swim
Do you
in
eat
it.
it in a bowl?
Moist. This is called eyeballing.
That's so much.
This is what.
It's so much cream of mushroom.
But like, it's so good. No, you don't put those on yet. You have to wait. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. And you're gonna bake it in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. And in those last 5 minutes, you're gonna put these little cheese slices on top. Just like to let it melt, and maybe not 5 minutes, maybe like a minute, just so it melts on top, and then you take it out and it's good to serve. Put your cheese on top.
And if you're lactose, R.I.P.
This isn't a meal for
Or
you.
should I say R.I.Poo?
I think it's good. smell. I was about to touch that with my bare hand. So our cheese is melted. Look at that. Oh, so good. Doesn't that look delicious? And now it's bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
And there we have our enchilada nightmare.